Hi, this is a video of Britt's Breckwell brand pellet stove controller that he sent me for repairs. He sent it saying that the pellet auger motor was not functioning correctly. It did work in manual feed mode, but it did not work automatically. So I've got it hooked up to my test system. I'm going to turn it on and we'll see how it performs after repairs. So here we go, it's on. So the combustion and the convection fans are now on. Looks like it's running. I'll do a quick test of the manual feed. That should turn the auger light on. There it is, the auger light's on. And then I'll do a test of the high fan speed, and that should make the convection fan go bright. There it is, off, on, off. So the next thing is I'll press the auger switch. That should turn on the green LEDs above the CD lamp and get the timer started for the auger. So there it is, it's on, and the auger motor still hasn't started. But if we wait about 30 seconds, the auger light will start cycling on and off in simulation of the auger motor cycling on and off. So as we wait for this, I'll remind everyone that we're in at the low setting. There it is, there's the auger light, it's on. So that would have driven the auger motor and driven some pellets into the fire pit. I'm going to increase the, I'll wait for one more cycle here and see if we can see the green light come on the controller. I'll turn it to max, and I'll keep an eye on the green LED above the word pellet there to show that, there it is, to show that the pellet auger motor is on. So I'll see if I can have them both on at the same time. The yellow stickered lamp is the auger, and there we see that the light is on and it went off. Alright, that's it. I'm ready to return this one to its owner. Thank you so much for sending it to me for repairs.